Good evening to all the mothers and the kids who have actually taken so much of efforts, and this time everything is so virtual, and with all the technology that we have done this year, being virtual online, studying online, and of course this time the competitions were online, and I believe everybody took the best, and I mean the efforts were done very well. Mothers have taken the efforts, and the way they have choreographed it, or synchronized their videos, the way they have made the videos, and joined them together, that was very nice. The best part was, all the kids, what I found was, they all were very excited to make something, to show something. Again, a lot of confidence which I saw was there in all the kids. Okay, some, of course, some kids are little shy, so they were not talking too much, but there were some kids who were really excited to make those videos. So with the help of mothers, you all have done the best job. I believe everybody is a winner, because everybody have actually taken time and the efforts to make different varieties. Looking at the nutritional value, that was the best thing, because we have to look at the nutritional value sitting at home, everything going virtual. We are not having much of activity, so currently the kids should be aware of what are natural, the ingredients that you can use, and make your each variety in food in a very nutritional way. So that's how I think the whole thing was about mom's magic, but at the same time there was a lot of information given to the kids regarding what is healthy. So there were, like, different laddus were made. Best part I liked about one of the participants who made an oats and ragi pizza. So that was something nice. Okay, so wherein we are avoiding your maida, that is your flour. So where we are avoiding sugar, we are using more of natural sweeteners. So I think everybody has got into those healthy parts, and that's how you all have come into different recipes. So in fact, I was very surprised and very happy to see different recipes, which I would also like to actually practice and try to make those kind of varieties which you all kids have really made them in this competition. So, but anyways, same that what Nikita said, don't get disheartened. Seriously, every child is a winner. So I would like to really give a lot of appreciation to the mothers and the kids who have taken so much of time and efforts to make this video, learn something new in your kitchen, and have made something very nice. So even you learn presentation, you learn the recipes, and of course you are helping your mom. So it's one of the best thing that you are getting yourself involved in other activities, and that's very important currently, because we all are just at home. So we have to build some more physical activities. So I would like to say everybody is a winner, and I had a very good experience in watching all the videos that all the kids have done. So of course there are winners, but everybody is a winner itself, but we have to have that judging, where we need to go for the winner 3, the winner 2, and the winner 1.
Kashish ma'am, any particular video that stood out amongst the rest?
Yes, I would like to say Arav Gupta. He was very confident. Okay, I love the presentation, the whole scene which they have made in their kitchen. There were pizza tags hanging in their windows. They had a proper pizza box. Okay, he had a phone call where he's placing an order, or he's taking the order. So the way, I think the whole presentation what Arav Gupta's was, that was very appealing. I found the Arav Gupta's entire scene was very nice. And there were one more person who was very confident, and the mother and daughter, really the way they were expressing and talking, and the confidence in front of the camera was amazing. So that also was a very nice thing, which is I think for Karania Sarkar. She was having a lot of confidence, and they made the whole thing so lively. So everything was like looking at such an easy recipe that they made it. So yes, all were good.
What was the one thing that you chose? What you
See,
looked at?
I looked at the nutritional value main, because honestly, because we were concentrating on the healthier part, so I feel we have to use more of the healthy versions, or the healthy ingredients that we can use in our daily life when we are eating our regular food. so that again kids should know that every day is not a pasta day, or every day is not a pizza day.
Right. Ma'am, we would want you to share a few tips with our budding chefs.
Yes, sure. So I would like to tell everyone, do not lose confidence. That's what I teach my students. So I've been teaching since almost 9 years, but this is what I always have told my students, don't lose confidence. Keep on doing it. Okay, like today you have done it for this competition, but that doesn't mean that you stop and you don't do the next tryouts, or try some new recipes. So you have to have confidence in yourself. It's just not for today's competition. So I feel, have confidence, have patience. That's very important. Don't lose patience that I have done it and today I'm not going to again do the same thing. You have to have a little patience. So everything takes a little time, but at the same time you should do it. So this is one confidence that you should get on yourself. Motivate your own self that yes, I can do it. Looking at others, looking at how others are doing, don't, first thing, never compare with others. See, today I know we have so many participants, but we will not compare ki who's done how and what and why. We need to see ourselves. So like today I know there are so many bakers doing the same thing what I'm doing, but I'm confident about myself because I know what I'm doing is the best. So you have to be the same way.
Thank you, Kashish ma'am, for your lovely motivational words.
Thank you.
And nice tips for our budding chefs.